How to sell your AI art online. Accessible online marketplaces like Etsy have made it simpler for AI artists to sell their products. To date, there are a few AI art vendors that sell their products online. If you're interested in becoming one of them, we've got some advice on how to do so effectively. Build a following before you sell. Before you begin selling your work, you want to have a strong following. This will allow you to build a fan base, gain exposure, and test the waters before selling your AI art online. If you already have a blog, Instagram account, or another platform where you can share your AI art, you're already halfway there. Take the time to establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Choose the right online marketplace. There are many different marketplaces on which you can sell your AI art. However, not all of them are created equal, and some are better suited to selling AI art than others. Etsy, for example, is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms around, and it's especially good for selling handmade arts and crafts. Given that AI art is a relatively new niche, you may have a better chance of succeeding in a smaller marketplace like Shopify or Artsy. You can check out multiple marketplaces before making a decision, but keep in mind that you may need to create a new account for each one. This is particularly true if you plan to sell your work online. For example, you'll need to have an Etsy shop if you want to sell your AI art there. So you will need to create a new account to do this, especially if you already sell handmade products on the platform. Create a portfolio of your AI art. As you're building your online presence, you need to create a portfolio of your work. This will allow you to show prospective customers what your art looks like and how it has progressed over time, which may help you sell even more products. You can host your portfolio on any website or social media account that you control. Use a simple blog to collect and display your work. Just make sure that you link to your products on the appropriate marketplace. If you want to create a professional portfolio website, you can do so relatively inexpensively. You can purchase web hosting and a domain name for just a few dollars per month, and there are plenty of free website builders out there that you can use like WordPress. Create compelling product descriptions. Regardless of which marketplace you sell on, you'll need to include product descriptions for each of your pieces. You can think of these as miniature sales pitches that explain why your work is special and why people should buy it. Keep in mind that many of your potential customers will be unfamiliar with the concept of AI art, so you want to explain the concept in terms that are appropriate for all audiences. While you don't want to be too technical, you also don't want to make the concept sound far-fetched, otherwise you may put off potential customers. Find customers and make sales. Finally, once you've built your reputation and acquired a following, you'll want to begin selling your work. There are various ways you can acquire customers, such as through social media marketing, paid advertisements, and online influencers. You may also want to consider attending events in your area, where you can meet potential customers in person and make sales. Just remember that selling your work online is a long and challenging process. You'll want to treat it like a real business and be persistent. In the final video, we will discuss the AI art best practices you must follow for success.